Fibromyalgia may cause painful trigger points all over your body, along with difficulty sleeping and fatigue. Similar symptoms may also be reported by patients with lupus, particularly when having a type 2 lupus flare, where they have pain, difficulty sleeping, and fatigue, but don't have any laboratory markers of increased inflammation, so they may not require medication to treat these particular symptoms. Painful symptoms all over your body may represent painful, difficult emotions trapped in your body from a recent stress, possibly even reminding you of some traumatic emotional events from the past. We're going to use emotional freedom techniques, or EFT tapping, to release those emotions from your body and give you relief. We're going to combine the EFT with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and self-hypnosis with visualization. To begin, we're going to just assess your degree of pain on a scale of 0 to 10, called the Subjective Units of Distress, or SUD score. 0 being no pain at all, 10 being the worst you ever had in your life. And it's just sort of a guess as to where you are at the moment. Once you've made that assessment, you might also want to tune into any stresses going on in your life at the current time that might be contributing to your pain and symptoms. And that'll be the focus of what we're going to be tapping on. So in order to start, we're going to do the setup statement, which is finding the sore spot on below your collarbone. So you go to the collarbones with your thumb and then work your way down. You'll hit hard ribs and then tender spots between the ribs. Just pick whichever side is the most achy and mash in there with your thumb. And then say, even though I have painful emotions trapped in my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. 2 more times. Even though I have painful emotions trapped in my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have painful emotions trapped in my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. That's the beginning. Now you just take a deep breath in and out. So breathe your favorite color in, whatever healing color feels good to you at the moment, and then think of the pain and what color that would be and breathe that out. Same with the fatigue, any other symptoms as well. And then we're going to start tapping with the second, third fingers on the eyebrow point right here and just say, painful emotions trapped in my body. And you tap 6 or 7 times, just loud enough to make a noise. And then the side of your eye, painful emotions trapped in my body. Just keep repeating this. Under your eye, painful emotions trapped in my body. Under your nose, painful emotions trapped in my body. On your chin, painful emotions trapped in my body. I can usually cross over to the other side on the collarbone bump. Painful emotions trapped in my body. Under your arm, painful emotions trapped in my body. And below your breast, on the lowest ribs, you can find painful emotions trapped in my body. And the top of your head, painful emotions trapped in my body. Deep breath in and out. Same deal with the colors again. And then we're going to switch to the other side. We call this the awfulize step. We're just going to go deeper into these symptoms you're experiencing and the stress. So start up with the same phrase, painful emotions trapped in my body. Side of your eye, I'm feeling really stressed out. My body is full of pain. Underneath your nose, I haven't been sleeping well. I feel tired all day long. I got no energy. And I don't know how long this is going to last. Doesn't seem to be any medication that's going to help. These painful emotions are stuck in my body all over. Deep breath in and out again. We're going to shift to the neutralize step, and we're going to go back and forth, negative, positive. Just play along with this. It'll get a little crazy, but trust me, it's worth doing. So start up on this side again. So with painful emotions trapped in my body. Side of your eye, say, they're gone, I'm healed. Under your eye, say, that sounds like wishful thinking. Under your nose, but what if I could take the edge off it? I'm not sure that tapping is really going to help. Collarbone, but if it did help, that would be great. Under your arm, I need some proof that it's actually working. Below your breast, I'm open to the possibility that it might actually be useful. And then the top of your head, I'm curious to see what's going to happen. And then deep breath in and out again. And we're going to switch sides, and now it becomes more like self-hypnosis where you're putting in what you really want. So start with, I want emotional freedom now. Side of your eye, I want comfort back in my body. I want to get my energy back. I want to start sleeping well. It's like hitting the reset button on my body. And I'm going to feel the energy flowing through my body the way it's supposed to. Any pain I have is going to just move on out of my body, and it's going to be replaced with comfort, and I'm going to enjoy transforming my symptoms with tapping. And now we're just going to, done with the tapping, and we're just going to start breathing deeply and a little faster than ordinary. And you can close your eyes and just breathe deep in and out, a little faster, and breathe in your favorite color, breathe out the painful color. Just keep breathing, feel it flow through your whole body. When you feel the favorite color coming down your arms, just shake your hands down by your side, let it go down your legs. Any pain goes into the ground, and the favorite color goes down into your toes, and start to wiggle your toes, stomp your feet. And again, it's like hitting the reset button on your body. And once you've done that, shake out everything you need to shake out and let yourself settle down. Scan your body. Is there still any place where you're feeling discomfort? Any messages coming from your body that you need to acknowledge? Assign those a color, and one of those painful colors, and then breathe your favorite color down into those specific areas and see what happens. Deep breath in and out. Now we're going to have you go on a little vacation trip to your favorite place out in nature, someplace you would go if you had the time and money to go wherever you wanted. Where would you go? So go to that place now and wander around out there and explore a little bit using all 5 of your senses. And what you're looking for is down at near your feet, you're looking for a healing object on the ground. Pick up the first random object you see, which is going to be your magic pain recycling tool. So hold that in your hand and imagine just letting all the symptoms drain out of your body into that object, and then release it back to the earth any way you want, and it'll recycle it and turn it into compost for you. And once you've done that, then invite a healing guide to come and visit you, a spirit guide from the other side. Could be a wise ancestor of yours, an angel, or a spirit animal of some sort. So just invite them to come and take the first one who volunteers, and then ask for some advice on what to do to manage your stress and manage your symptoms. And once you've had that dialogue, then you can invite them to come on a time travel journey back into the past and go back to some time as far back as you want to go, when your body was feeling much more comfortable and you had a lot more energy and were sleeping well. So go back as far as you need to, and you can go to, childhood, if you, wherever you need to go to find that space where you feel more healthy and more energized and more comfortable. So go back there, revisit that scene, whatever you were doing back then. If you were playing or doing something fun, tune into that experience and imagine someone took a picture of you doing that, and then they wanted to put a color picture frame around it that represented the feeling you had back then. So go ahead and put that color around your picture frame and breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. Then let's get back in the time machine after you put that picture up on your wall, so you can go back there and remember anytime you need to. Go to one of your last painful episodes and rewrite that scene any way you want to, so you achieve maximum comfort as quickly as possible, using tapping or any other breathing techniques or anything else you know to shift the energy in your body and move from stress to comfort. So rethink that scene, and you may have responded differently to the stress. And be as creative as you want in re-envisioning that. See what you wish had happened. Once you've had a chance to be a little creative with that scene, now project yourself into the future where your symptoms have resolved, you're feeling comfortable in your body again, you're sleeping better. See yourself in the future. It could be days, weeks, or whatever time period feels right to you. And imagine someone taking a picture of you in that healthy state. And think of a color you want to put around that picture frame. And go ahead and breathe that color into your body. Put that picture up on your wall next to the one from the past, so you know where you've been and where you're headed. And once you've done that, then go ahead and stretch and bring that feeling back with you. And we do one more thing just to help you get back into that state of health. A simple 3-step self-hypnosis. You're going to put your thumb and finger together and squeeze tight, open your eyes wide, and take a deep breath in and hold it. And when you're ready, just release your hand, close your eyes, and blow the breath out. And project yourself into that future scene where you're feeling healthy and rested and comfortable. And then remember that color picture frame you had around it. That's your cue to get back into that state. And bring that feeling back with you again, and then stretch, open your eyes, and come back. And you can get back to that state anytime just using those 3 steps. All right, now I want to go back and just repeat that phrase again, which was painful emotion stuck in my body. And notice how you're feeling now. On a scale of 0 to 10, what is your SUD score now? Has it gone up, stayed the same, gone down? And what you can do is, if you're making some progress, you can repeat this video again as many times as you like. There's no side effects, and it's not going to cost you anything. So the only secrets to success with EFT are to be persistent, so just keep doing it. Be specific, which means if there's a particular event that's bothering you, tap on that particular thing. And then the third thing is to be emphatic, which means if you're really getting into it and you feel like screaming or crying, by all means do that, because it makes things shift a lot quicker if you're tapping and expressing some emotion. All right, so that's the basics on how to do this. I've got a series of YouTube videos that are linked on my website, larryburk.com. There include other things for rheumatology patients, such as hives or urticaria and autoimmunity in general. And there's other conditions I address as well in terms of weight loss, back pain, and a few other things that you'll find there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through the website, and please explore the other videos and be persistent, specific, and emphatic, and you'll get the results you're looking for. So thanks for tapping with me today.